Hi, my name is Emily and I work here at PJCO as an online QuickBooks specialist. I am an advanced pro advisor and I hope that this video answers any of your questions or queries you may have. If it doesn't, however, there will be a link at the end of the video taking you to my Find an Accountant page. Here you'll find reviews from some of my current clients and you can get in touch with any questions or queries you may have. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for any future updates and new videos. Thank you very much.
How to use purchase orders within QuickBooks Online. A purchase order is created by a buyer to a supplier, indicating what products they wish to order, as well as how many in quantity and at the agreed cost. They are used to control the purchasing of products and services from suppliers. First of all, you will need to turn on the purchase orders feature within QuickBooks Online. To do this, navigate to the company cog in the top right hand corner and click on Account and Settings. Click on the Expense tab on the left hand side and you'll see there's a purchase order section. Click into that and ensure that the tick box is there and is selected. Click Save, and once you're happy, press Done. Now, to create a purchase order, click on the Add button, again on the top right hand side of the corner, and you will see Purchase Order under the Supplier heading. In this example, I'm going to use the supplier EJ Jewellers, and I'm going to make sure that the purchase order date is correct. So in this case, the purchase order was raised on the 20th of November. I want to order some necklaces for my shop, and you can see here we've pre-populated the rate at 20. Now I want 100 of these necklaces and the VAT rate is 20%. You can actually also track this via a customer or project if you want to in this column here. The other product that I want to receive is a bracelet, and I've decided I want 50 of those. And the agreed rate that I have agreed with my supplier is £25 per unit, and again with a 20% VAT rate. Once I'm happy with that, I can click Save and Close. When the supplier sends you the invoice for the goods you have ordered, you will now want to turn that purchase order that we've just created into a bill within QuickBooks, or in other words, create a purchase invoice. So to do this, again, we go back up to the Add button and we're going to select Bill under Suppliers. If we start to type in the supplier that we've just ordered from, so in this example, EJ Jewellers, QuickBooks will pull out a drawer on the right-hand side of the screen to show any open purchase orders that you have in the system. So here's the one we created just a moment ago. We're quite sure that that is the correct one, so we want to add that in. So just click Add here. And this will bring in underneath here what we had ordered. So the necklace 100 and bracelet of 50. Now, I've been told by my supplier that they can actually only provide me 90 of these due to the fact that they have stopped manufacturing. So I might just put a note in here to remind myself going forward. You don't have to, but it's good for reference in the future. They have also told me that I can only have 25 of the bracelet and they will deliver 25 more in next order. So I'll pop that in there as well. Once I'm happy that the bill has been amended to what the supplier has agreed, I can click Save and Close. What we can do is go back into the purchase order here. So we use the search bar for any recent transactions we've done, and you can see the second option down is that purchase order we created. Now you will see that QuickBooks shows a linked transaction, so that will be the bill we've just created, and the status is open. Now, if you do want to close it, you can change it here. Alternatively, in this example, we've been told that we can only receive 90 of the necklace because they've stopped manufacturing them, which means we'll never actually receive the 10 outstanding that we wanted to order. So I'm quite happy that I can close this line because I'll never be able to receive them. The bracelet, however, I want it to remain open because we are going to receive another 25 units in our next delivery. So I don't want to close the whole purchase order, just one line. Once I'm happy that I've amended that, I can click Save and Close. When it's time to pay the supplier through the bank, if you pay them in the full amount as per the bill we've just created, there will be a similar icon, similar record icon found, which will show here, for example, on the 1st of December, we have paid EJ Jewellers for £2,425, which matches up against a bill that we created for the same amount. If we're happy that those two match together, we can click on the match icon, and then that will show that the bill we've just created will be paid.